By 2025, hybrid cars will become an essential part of. Hybrid cars will integrate with, communicating with traffic lights, road sensors, and charging stations to improve and reduce. The evolution of hybrid cars will make them an integral part of by providing solutions. Although prices are coming down, hybrids still tend to have a higher compared to traditional vehicles, particularly. The availability of charging stations for plug-in hybrids is still limited, though it is improving. In conclusion, hybrid cars are poised to play in the future of. By 2025, we can expect that will offer, and for consumers. As the demand for grows, hybrid vehicles will be an essential solution for those looking to make a difference without sacrificing performance or convenience. HL tried in TTB, BM KR and electric trucks the future of. As AI continues to evolve, the automotive industry will become safer, smarter, and more efficient, bringing us closer to the future of transportation.